Hello, my friends. I want to tell you about our 2-day editorial virtual boot camp. Yes, you get to work from the comfort of your home, and I will be working with you and walking you through step-by-step editorial looks that are very relaxed to maybe more polished and groomed, to fashion runway, right the way through to some soft bridal looks. We're going to go over the foundation of dress work, from backcombing, pinning, and setting, and looking at how we can make something so polished and beautiful and so relaxed and so undone. So if you want to expand your repertoire, and guess what? Even if you say, well, Viv, I don't know how to dress hair at all, perfect. What a great time to start. So join me for 2 days, check out the information below, and I'll see you online.